Hey students, welcome back to a new set of notes. You are going to need your periodic table for this, so please have that baby handy. You can also refer to the part in the video or this little picture here, but it might be good to practice on our handy dandy periodic table so you can see how that works. So here we go. Today we're doing a little background information. We're going to be talking about metric conversions. So a little bit of background information, and we're talking about metric conversions. Remember, our metric system is based on powers of 10. All right, based on powers of 10. So it is actually very simple. We do not have to memorize any like weird conversions like 3 feet equals 1 yard, etc., etc. We just want to keep kind of following those powers of 10. So metric conversions, like I said, are based on powers of 10, and they have these prefixes that go along with it. You can see those on the back. We have all the way from the ones that are published on our periodic table, on the back of our periodic table, go from tera to femto. There are many, many more, but the ones we're going to use mainly in this class are from tera to femto. So how we do it is if we move right on the chart, we move the decimal. And if we move left on the chart, we move the same amount to the left. So it's super simple. The key here, the struggle that for some kids is that B is our base. All right. So that B stands for our base. So that's like just plain meters, just plain liters, just seconds. All right. So it's not like milliseconds, right? So these are our bases. So grams, liters, meters, seconds. There's many more, but for our purposes, that's kind of the ones we've got. All right, so let's see how we do this. So referring down here, we're going to start here. We're going from milliliters to liters. So here is milliliters, and we're going to go to here. If we count 1, 2, 3, that's 3 to the left. We're going to move the decimal, which is right here, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. And so 55,000 milliliters is 55 liters. Okay, let's try another one. Moving to the right, we're going to do this 0.000341 centimeters to nanometers. So I'm going to change colors and I'm going to erase off what we have there. I'm going to leave the base stuff there. All right, so we're at centimeters. Oh, excuse me, let's get our color there. We're at centimeters and we're going to nanometers. Yes, we must count those dots. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to move the decimal 7 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to get 3,410 nanometers. All right, let's keep rolling. This time we've got, again, let's try a different color. We'll go a darker purple here. Do some erasing. Hopefully that'll help. All right, my eraser's like baby sized. There you go. Let's make it a little more aggressive. So we're going to go from tera to mega. So here's tera, here's mega. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. So we're going to move the decimal 6 places to the right. So we have to add zeros, basically 4 zeros. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 zeros. And then we can fill in our commas accordingly. All right, let's try another one, and then I'm going to let you do the last two on your own. Actually, no, I'm not. I lied. All right, so let's do picograms to micrograms. So here's pico, and we're going to micro. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. So we're going to move the decimal 6 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to have 3 zeros in front of that 9, 1. And we can put that 0 there, whatever. The micro is like a U with a tail on the front. All right, let's look at these next two because these next two are not super tough, but they're a little different. So here we go. They're squared and we've got cubed. So what we do is if it's squared, we move twice, right? Move the distance twice. If it's cubed, what do you suppose we do? We move the distance 3 times. All right, so let's see how that works. Let's go from meters to kilometers. Again, let's do some erasing there so we're all on the same page. All right, we're going to go from meters. Let's go green. Meters to kilometers. So here's meters because it's our base, right? And we're going to go to kilometers. So 1, 2, 3 spots to the left, but we must do it twice. So that is going to be 6 spots to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to have 0.00 and then 74 km squared. All right, please try this last one on your own. Remember, it's going to be 3 times. I will work it slowly up here. So we had to move it 1 time, but it's cubed, so we had to move it 3 times, if you will. And so that's going to give us 3 zeros, and then our additional 2, and then 3, 4, and then we have decameters cubed. And there you have it. All right, see you next video.